Do you also own an e-commerce store and want to send your store promotions frequently to your customers on WhatsApp? Then this video is definitely for you. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can send WhatsApp message to all your WhatsApp contacts in once, that to a personalized one. So here I'm an owner of an e-commerce store and I regularly send promotional messages to all my customers on WhatsApp. So now here sending the WhatsApp messages manually to all my customers was very time consuming task. So now I've come up with a solution for you. I have used this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform to send the WhatsApp message to all my customers at once, that too personalized. And in this video, we are going to learn the same process step by step. So here on the screen, you can see a promotional message that I've sent to my customer using a message template via this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So here to access this communication platform, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your own business automations, then you can use my special discount code to get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already purchased mine and I have automated my entire business, that too for lifetime. So go and get yours now and automate your business, that too for lifetime. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now. And it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, you need to click on this Add WhatsApp Number button and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is Manual Token Connect. So WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. That means you must use this method to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video link available in the description box below for the same. Alright, this was all about the WhatsApp number. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. And as you know that in this video, we are going to learn how you can send a single WhatsApp message to all your WhatsApp contacts in once. So for that, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But here before accessing the broadcast, as I have already told you that I have sent a template WhatsApp message to my customers. So here to send the template WhatsApp message, you need to create a template first inside your Pabbly Chatflow account by accessing this templates option from here. I have already opened mine and under templates, you can see the number of templates that I've created. And you can see the status of these templates as well in the left side bar. So in this case, we are going to use the template that I've created with the name e-commerce offer, and this is the message that I've drafted. So here to create your own template, you need to click on this add template button and it will direct you to a new template window. Here you need to add these required details and you can create your template as per your requirement. To learn more about this template creation, you can watch out the video that is available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, this was all about the template, and after creating this template, make sure your template is approved before sending it to your customers, because only approved templates can be sent as a WhatsApp message to your customers or leads. Alright, this was all about the template. Now let's move towards to broadcast. Now under this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live broadcasts, sent broadcasts and scheduled broadcasts inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here to create a new one, we are going to click on this add broadcast button and it will direct us to the WhatsApp broadcast window. Now we are going to add these details and create a broadcast as per our use case. So here for the broadcast type, you need to select it as broadcast campaign, and for the name, we are going to give the name as e-commerce offer. Alright, so I have successfully added the broadcast name and then it is asking to select the contact list. So in this particular field, I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here to learn how you can create this contact list, let me take you to the contact section of this Pabbly Chatflow account. contact. So now here in this contact section, you can see in the left side, I already have some existing contact list. And here I have a data of my customers in my Google Sheets to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message with their name and their phone number. So now here I need to add these contacts in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, we are going to click on this add contact button, and here you can see two options. One is add single contact and the other one is add bulk contact. So if you want to add the single contact, then you can do it by adding the details over here, or else if you want to add the bulk contacts, then you need to click on this option, and here you need to upload a CSV file of the customer data. So as you know that I have my customer details in my Google Sheets, so we are going to download this data in a CSV format, and for that you need to click on this file option. Then you need to select the download, and here you need to download the file in a .csv format. Once you're going to download the file, you need to upload the same file over here by selecting this option, and from here you need to select the file that you want to upload. After that, you need to click on this open button, and automatically a file will be uploaded over here and a URL will be updated inside this field. After that, you need to update this duplicate record settings, and then you need to click on this add contact, and automatically the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and you can create a separate list for the same. For now, I'm going to use the existing list that I have in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So we're going to select the existing contact list, and here you can select multiple lists as well. For now, I'm going to select single one only. Alright, now after selecting the contact list, it is asking us to select the message type. So here you can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So if you want to send the template message, then make sure you're creating a template first, or else you can send a regular message as well by selecting this option. From here, you need to select the message type first, and then you need to type the message over here, and in the right side you can see the preview of the message that you are typing. Alright, as you know that I'm going to send the pre-approved template message, so I'm going to select this option, and then we're going to click on the select WhatsApp template. So this is the template that I'm going to use, so I'm going to select that, and here you can see the entire message that I've drafted. So here I've used a variable in the place of this name, because I want whenever my customer is going to receive this message, then it should be a personalized message for that customer. So variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. Alright, so now here to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom fields from these settings. And here under contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields if you're using a new account, that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. But if you're using an old account, then you might have more contact custom fields inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And as you know that I have used the variable in the place of name, so I'm going to copy the name for this field name, and then I'm going to add it over here. And with this, we have successfully made this field dynamic for the name. Now my customers are going to receive the personalized WhatsApp message as per their contact name. Alright, then we're going to click on this done, and with this we have successfully added a WhatsApp message over here. Then it is asking us to test the message that we are going to send to our wider audience as a broadcast message. So I'm going to test this message on my phone number. So for that, I'm going to add my username as my name, and here I'm going to add my own mobile number. Alright, then we're going to click on this send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message. So let's go and check it, and here you can see I have received a new WhatsApp message, that too with my name. So with this, we have successfully tested this broadcast message. After testing this broadcast message, you can schedule the broadcast for the later as well. But if you want to send the instant message, then you can select no option, or else you can select yes to schedule it for the later. So here to schedule this message, you need to follow a proper date and time format, that is month, day, year for the date, and for the time it's hour and minute. And here while selecting the date and time, make sure you're adding a future date and time, because if you're adding a past date and time, then it is going to send the broadcast message instantly to all your contacts. For now, I've selected the future date and time, and then we're going to click on this add broadcast. And with this, we have successfully scheduled a new broadcast message with the name e-commerce offer. Now let me tell you that once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same by selecting this view stats button. Here you can see the rate of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and the failed message rate for your broadcast message, and you can analyze the same as per your requirement. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to send e-commerce promotional messages to all your contacts on WhatsApp, that too in once. Alright, I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.